Hello everyone. Now in this video lecture we will see the conditions to find whether the lines are perpendicular, parallel or intersecting. So we'll go one by one. First condition is when the lines are perpendicular. Okay, so if L1 and L2 two lines are perpendicular to each other, okay, if two lines are perpendicular to each other, then dot product of their tangent vector should be 0. So this is the condition. Okay, so when two lines are perpendicular, okay, so the dot product of their tangent vectors should be 0. Okay, so here the dot product of the tangent vector should be 0 means here the tangent vector is nothing but dash bar. Okay, so for example here L1 is having PL1 dash bar is a tangent vector of line L1 and PL1 dash PL2 dash bar is a tangent vector of second line. So the dot product of these two tangent vectors should be 0. If this condition is there, then you can say that the line is perpendicular. Okay, now let us say example here. For example, if suppose PL1 is, now I am directly writing here the value 4i plus 4j minus 6k. Okay, so the dot product means here dot will be there and second tangent vector, let us say PL2 dash bar is minus 4i plus 6j plus 6k. Okay, so here two tangent vectors we have written here, so the dot product of these two tangent vectors should be 0, then only the line will be perpendicular. So we can write here is equal to, now here 4 into minus 4 into minus 4, okay, then plus 4 into 6 minus, or you can write here plus, now 6 into, now minus 6 into 6. Okay. So here the addition of these two should be 0. So let us say, let us calculate what happened. Now 4 into minus 4 is minus 16 plus, now 4 into 6 is 24, now 6 into 6 is 36 but minus sign is there, so minus 36, now is equal to minus 28. Now this is not 0, it means that these two lines are not perpendicular to each other. Okay, then second condition, second is whether the lines are parallel. So the second thing is parallel. So let us say when the lines are parallel, if two lines are L1 and L2 are parallel, then the cross product of their tangent vector should be 0. Okay, so if L1 and L2 are parallel, then cross product of their tangent vectors should be 0. Okay, now see cross product of tangent vector. Now how to find the cross product? So let us say here PL1 dash bar is a tangent vector of first line, cross product PL2 dash bar is a tangent vector of second line. The cross product should be 0. So how to find a cross product? We will see here. Let us say here I, j and k will write here. Then the coordinates of P1. Okay, so the coordinates of P1 is, let us say same example, P1 is PL1 dash bar is 4i 4j minus 6k. So we'll write here it is 4 minus 6. So we'll write here 4 minus 6, and second is minus 4 6 6. So we'll write here minus 4 6 and 6. Okay, so now let us find this. So is equal to, now I, now this minus this. Okay, so 4 into 6 is 24, and minus plus. Okay, so I 4 into 6 is 24. Now minus, now here minus sign is already there, so minus 6 into 6 minus 36, so minus will become plus, so plus 36. Now instead of writing here I, will write here I, plus, now this into this is 4 into 6 is 24, and minus 6 into minus 4, so minus 6 into minus 4 will be minus 24, so plus 24, so but here minus sign is there, so 24 here j. Now plus k, now 4 into 6, 4 into 6 is 24, minus plus, because here minus is there, so 4 into 4 is 16. Okay, so if you solve it, you will get 60 I. Now here 24 minus 24 will get cancelled, plus now 24 into 16 is 40k. Okay, so here the cross product of this is not 0, means the lines are not parallel. Okay, so it should be 0. If it is not 0, the lines are not parallel, you can say. Then third condition, intersecting lines, intersecting. Okay, so when the lines are intersecting, then at the point of intersection your PL1 should be is equal to PL2. Okay, so at point of intersection, okay, so this will be the condition. Okay, so when the line are intersecting, then the PL1 should be is equal to PL2. Now let us assume PL1, the parametric equation of line 1 is given by here 127 plus u 4 minus 6. Okay, so this is PL1. PL2, let us, this is the example. Okay, PL2 is 734 plus v. Now instead of u, here second parameter we are taking v, minus 4 6 6. Okay, so these are the two lines. Okay, then the at point of intersection your lines should satisfy. Okay, so from equation let us say equation 1 and equation 2, the lines both should be equal. Okay, so here 127 plus u 4 minus 6 is equal to 734 plus v minus 4 6 6. Okay, so this should be equal. Now how to find, you have to solve this. Okay, so if you solve it, then you will get here u 1 plus 4u, so 1 plus 4u is equal to 7 plus minus 4v. Okay, so here 7 minus 4v. Okay, so this is equation 1. Now similarly 2 plus 4u is equal to 3 plus 6v. This is second equation, and 7 minus 6u is equal to 4 plus 6v. This is third equation. Okay, so these three equations here, if you solve these three equations should satisfy. Okay, so if these equations are satisfying, then you can say that the lines are intersecting. Okay, thank you.